Hello, lovely people. I hope everyone is doing great. So we are on day 6, and today we are making spicy pepper steak. Okay, so here are ingredients. I have red, yellow, green peppers, onions. I have my beef. I have garlic. I have ginger. I have my oil, soy sauce. I have my corn flour, and then I have my chilies. Okay, this is going to be very spicy and delicious. I like spice. So we start by marinating our beef. So we add oil to soy sauce, some black pepper, some of the garlic and ginger, and the corn flour. And also I'll add some honey. Okay, I didn't add it here, but I added it later. Okay, so we just pour it onto our beef and we stir it and we set it aside for about 30 minutes. Okay, so once that is well marinated, we just move on to the stir fry. It doesn't really take long, it's really quick. Okay, so just added my oil to the wok and I added my beef. Yeah, so I just fried, and normally you made a slurry for this thing, but mine generated very nice sauce around it, which didn't make me need one, so I didn't make it. So as you can see, it's nice and juicy. I don't need any slurry at this moment. Okay, so that is done. A fresh pot was nicely washed. We add some ginger and some garlic together, and then my spice goes in here. This is the bit where everybody starts to cough. Okay, then all my vegetables go in there. Okay, this is so quick and so delicious, right? The only bit that will take a bit of time is the prep of the veggies. Okay, so this is so beautiful. This can be, you can make this during these holidays, and you serve it with your rice, you serve it with your jollof, your fried rice, your yams, whatever. Okay, this is so great. Okay, so my beef goes in there. I just give it a quick stir, and then that will be it. We don't want the vegetables to go soggy. We want it nice and crunchy. So there it is. That is so quick. Okay, so thank you for watching today, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't. If you have subscribed, thank you so much, and I will see you all tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow I hope to bring you something delicious. I am hoping to bring something sweet. Yeah, something sweet, like a dessert or something. So let's hope for the best, and God willing, tomorrow. Bye.